In 2025, these 5 AI-powered Chrome extensions can literally change how you work, learn, and browse. They save time, boost productivity, and make everything feel 10 times smarter. Let's check them out. 1. Merlin. Merlin brings ChatGPT right into your browser. Highlight any text on Google, Gmail, LinkedIn, and get instant answers, rewrites, or summaries. It's like having a personal AI assistant built into every website. And yes, it's free. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 2. Compose AI. Tired of typing long emails or repetitive messages? Compose AI does it for you. It learns your writing style and helps you write full emails, replies, and even articles, instantly. Just type / and it finishes your sentence. Productivity unlocked. 3. WebChat. Ever felt limited by ChatGPT's outdated data? WebChat gives it access to real-time web search. Now you can get up-to-date answers, live info, and relevant sources, all inside the same chat window. Perfect for research, trends, and fact-checking. 4. Eightify. No time to watch long videos? Eightify summarizes any YouTube video in seconds. Paste a link or open a video, and you get the key points instantly. It works shockingly well, great for education, news, or even tutorials. 5. Tactiq. If you use Google Meet, you need Tactiq. It transcribes meetings in real time, highlights key moments, and lets you search conversations later. You'll never forget what someone said again, and you can finally stop taking notes. Remote teams love it. The best part? All of these are free or have generous free tiers. Which one do you want to try first? Drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more daily AI tools and tech hacks. This is 808 Tech Daily. See you tomorrow.